So if we need to look at the structure and the conceptual structure of a data warehouse, this is how it will look. For example, we have multiple databases in the background and other input. Uh, all the databases, ERP systems, and other application will feed into the ETL, which is the one in the middle right there. Extract, transform, and load all this data into the data warehouse, and then the data warehouse will be utilized by OLAP, which is for analytical reasons, and data mining and other function like BIs and advanced querying and analytical uh, side. So here the OLAP for data analytics. Storing data in a data warehouse does require a lot of functions, starting with, of course, storing the data according to the data model of the warehouse, taking into consideration all the dimensions, all the query possibilities, creating and maintaining required data structures in cubes, creating and maintaining appropriate access path, where to find the information, providing for time variant data as the new data are added, and we used to use a lot of effective dated. So when we go and query anything, we have to put as of that day. So we know exactly that we're reading the information as of, for example, January 1st or as of December 31st for financial data. Supporting the updating of warehouse data, and this have to be continuous, refreshing the data, and then purging or deleting the data. And while deleting the data, you have to make sure that you delete it securely so it will not be in the hand of unauthorized people. It's not an easy management because you have everything in one place.